Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to update and replace pages within your publication. What you want to do first is select the Update Single Page option over here. And we're going to update our cover page. So right now, what we have is this. Now I want it to say, for internal use only. So for that, we're just going to update our first page. Just choose the file and hit Upload PDF. Okay, now if you go and see your publication, you'll notice that your page is updated over here. Next, what we're going to do is, I noticed a small typo right around here. This PageTurnPro here has two R's in it. So I corrected that in a very quick way. So I'm just going to update the whole thing. In fact, this is what I want it to look like. So now we go on to replace publication. Hit OK. Now we choose a file and upload our PDF. Alright, once that's done, you can change the descriptions and everything. Hit submit. And if we go into our publications folder, it'll say conversion in process. Now this could take 2 minutes, could take 5 minutes. Alright, now that that's active, we can go hit that. We now see our edited publication. There you go. That's how you update and replace files and pages within your publication.